So today we're on my cabinet shop, and we do a lot of kitchens where we gotta move plumbing, remodel, stuff like that. And so a lot of the times when we gotta cut old pipes and thread them again, we don't want to go to the hardware store. So we got ourselves a nice manual pipe threader that starts from 3/8 all the way to 2 inches. One thing though, it doesn't come with any oil or chain that you will need there to hold up your pipe strong. Or you could also clamp it down. Make sure you buy one to hold up your pipe. We got clamps, so it's not a problem. But you also use a chain. The other thing, it comes with a really good case to carry it to the job site. So this hand support, so you can thread it. It comes in 3 pieces, 2 and 3. So this pops out, and this is the other piece you need to insert. So whatever dimension you need for your pipe, it goes in here. Be pushing forward towards your pipe, otherwise it's not gonna keep threading inside.
And oil once in a while.
So we got our oil there. So it took me a long time. I had to clamp it, it was slipping. So make sure you clamp it real well. Get a chain to do this because it takes a while on the handmade one. So just make sure you use a proper gearing for that.
And lots of oil.
And lots of oil for that.